This Adidas inspired grade is one of the coolest looks I've created this entire year. And now you will know exactly how to do this in under 4 minutes. And if you like seeing banger content like this, then please do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you can be notified about my next video. For those that don't know me, my name is Qazi. I've worked with brands like Adidas, Amazon Prime, Universal Studios, and I make no bullshit straightforward color grading tutorials so you can work with your dream clients. This is one of the coolest looks I've created this entire year. I'm so excited to share this with you. If you want to practice along, you can get the tools for free as a demo. Link is going to be in the description. The footage came from Artlist. It is shot on Alexa. We're converting it from log to X709. This is set to linear gamma, and we have just gone ahead and balanced our shot. Basic stuff. Here, I'm going to call it Look DNA. And we're going to type in DCTL. We're going to drop in this DCTL called Look DNA. And all we're going to do here, we're just going to scroll down. We're going to go to preset and we're going to select Kodak 2383. Just look at all of a sudden how rich the skin tones are. This is a billion times better rendition than the Kodak 2383 that comes with Resolve or any other Kodak 2383 out there. Second step, I'm going to go right here. I'm going to type in another DCTL called Color Compressor. I'm going to go ahead and select this. The whole purpose of this is most of the time we just use it to create color separation. So let's just say this is the color that I want to add in my image, okay? For split toning purposes, I'm going to go and select compression near and I'm going to crank it all the way. And when I do that, I mean, just look at how gorgeous this effect is. If I do before and after, look at how perfect the skin tones look. Look at this. Like, tell me this is not the best thing you've ever seen in your entire life. And now we can play around with it. So let's just say if I just set it up to 200, this looks way, way, way better, right? Like it's way more natural. That's the Adidas look, guys. We just did it. Like just like that. You saw how fast everything worked with these tools. And now what I can do is I can go in my nearby cutoff point, like color cutoff point. If I want to bring in skin tones more, I can go in this direction. If I want to just keep going in this moody direction, I can go there. I want to be somewhere around here. I think this looks absolutely stunning. Everybody's skin tones just look so good, so stylized. And this is going to be our, let's call it split tone. And then here, I'm going to call this SAT control, and that's going to be our last DCTL. And this one is absolutely unbelievable. It lets us pick where we want to put the entire meat of our image. So if I actually go in our high sat, like the most saturated areas, do I want to nuke them more or do I want to pull them down? So in this case, I want to kind of like bring it down. I'm just like looking at my girl right here, and I think pulling it down just takes the edge off. Now, the mid-sat, what do I want to do with that? I'm just looking at the close at this point, and I just want to bring it up a little bit. I even like how it pops from the background. Like, look at the before and after. Like, how much juice we're adding. I mean, like, to the entire image. Like, look at how the skin tones are popping now. And then for the low-sat, this is like your anchors. Do you want to add some color to it, or do you want to keep them clean? I want to have just a little bit of color. I mean, that's like a very Adidas trait. So I'm going to leave that there. And then finally, we're going to go and Look DNA, and I'm going to go under bleach bypass and just clean everything up. So I'm just going to grab this and start cranking it. All of us go too far and then start coming back to where you feel like everything looks absolutely perfect. So this is where we started. This is where we ended up. I mean, tell me this is not the coolest look you've ever seen. So this is before, this is after. I mean, just look at these colors. Like, look at these skin tones to die for. This contrast to die for. How easy. Just a couple of sliders, max them out, pull them back, find the perfect spot, done and done. So there you have it. If you're interested in trying the toolkit, you can use the coupon code in the description to save $100. If you have any content suggestions, drop them down below. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, fam.